Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Journey RT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look around. This guy does come in the pitch black clear coat. It looks awesome. You got the chrome accents up front there, and you do have halogen headlamps there, and you do got the fog lights right down there. Now over here we do have hand-cooked tires on 19-inch rims, and there's still a lot of tread left on those guys right there. You do have heated exterior mirrors as well here, right there. And then around back here we do have the Dodge logo and the Journey logo with the all-wheel drive and the RT logo right there. Now as long as it is unlocked, all we gotta do is press this right here and lift her up. Now back here we do have some room. You got a emergency flashlight right here if you do need it. Boop, just like that. You never know when it might come in handy, right? You got a charger right there. You got some additional storage right in here. You just lift this guy up and there's some more space in there. Now you can also pull these guys forward just like this. Boop, just like, come on, there we go. Just like that. And then you got even more room there. There's a lot of room back there. Okay, let's jump on the inside here. So we got our keys. We got 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock. We got our panic button down there, and we do have a remote start right here. So it will start right up for you, which is so nice, especially in the winter. It will get you nice and toasty in there, and you can change it up so that it will start up your heated seats and all that when you do turn it on. Now all you gotta do, if you do, it does have keyless proximity entry, so if you have your key on your person and put your fingers in there when it's locked, it will unlock for you. Now, on the door here, you do have a chrome accented handle. You have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Little handle here, and some storage down here with a water bottle holder there. Then over here, you do have the controls over your seat. So you got back and forward, and you got your lumbar support there. This guy here does control your lights. So you got your your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams. And then you also have your fog lights and your in-cabin lights right there. Now I do have my keys in my pocket, so we just press the button with the foot on the brake, and it does start right up for you. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. Now in the center there you also have your, which direction we're facing, your gear, the speedometer, and how many kilometers, which is only 52,000, which is not very much at all. You also, it's minus 10 outside, a little chilly. Now what you can do is you can go back and then you can do all sorts of different stuff. So you got fuel economy, trip info, your vehicle speed, you have tire KPA, you got your vehicle info, messages. You can turn the menu off if it is too bright for you. You control all of that right from here, right from your steering wheel, so you never have to take your hand off the steering wheel, which is so nice. You got your voice recognition and your call out button there. Horn in the middle, and you do have your cruise control options on this guy. Now around back here on this is a volume up and down, which is super nice. I really like where it sits. It's very comfortable in the hand, and then you never have to take your hand off the steering wheel again. You got a change source in the center there. There's an identical on the other side for your channels. In the center here, you have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you do have Sirius XM, which it does come with a year of Sirius when you do purchase the vehicle. You got AM and FM, of course. And then you also have a media player here if you have a disc inserted or whatnot. You got your controls, so you got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, you got your screen off, your outlet, and your heated seat for your passenger. You got your climate control, so all that's from in there. You got navigation, where to, view map, all that stuff right there. Of course, we are in Recplace. You got your phone options, and then you also have, oops, there we go. We got a more for the rear entertainment and the settings there. Now, over here, you do have your hazard lights, your AC, your circulation, your front and rear defrost, and your traction control. Volume up and down, you got your your power there. Then you can turn up the heat. It's dual climate, always very nice if you and your passenger want it to be different climates. You got the power there, and then auto, off, and then you also have your tuner there. This guy has an SD card slot and a DVD slot or CD player. Down there you do have a plug-in, right over there. Very nice. Got some cup holders here in a very nice spot. And then this guy is your gear shift. So if you do shift into reverse here, you do have your backup camera, which, as everyone knows, is super useful. In the center here on your armrest, you do have some storage in here. You can move that guy out of the way, and then you got even more. Got an aux cord and a USB plug-in, as well as another 12-volt plug-in right there. You can put that guy back if you want to put some change in there or something. Always nice to have. You do have a lock and glove box over here. If someone did break in, you could have this locked, and it'll be safe and sound in there. Up top here, you do have a sunglass holder with a mirror. Hello there. You also got some lights here. And this guy is the control over your sunroof. Right there. Very nice sunroof, very big. And it's all controlled from right there. Let's jump in the back here and take a look. Open this guy up. They do have the chrome accent handle as well. You got control of your own windows. And then you have a handle here and another little water bottle holder down there. There is quite a bit of leg room back here, and it is also leather. Very nice. You got these little plug-ins for a game system, as well as you can plug something in there. And you got an outlet right here as well. Right there. Perfect. You got some storage down here, which is always very nice. And then you do have a 9-inch screen right up here. You press this button, and it comes down just like that. Plus, they do have control over their own climate right there. Now, you can also pull this guy down, just like that. And then you have an armrest for the people back here. If you did want as well, you can pull this guy, and it does fold that down, and then people can get into the back here as well. Always very nice. It can also slide forward and back, which is always really good. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Dodge Journey RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.